get lift. Little Weinstein, see we going on a trip. Sit and reminisce, let the mind just drift. Thinking about the times and my dogs that I miss. Life was a gift, but niggas took the piss, cause they choose to persist on the thing that should resist. God said don't, but Eve still insists. Now Adam's out there screaming saying life is a bitch. When he grabbed her by the hips, he greeted her with a kiss. And from that moment, both of them coexist. Knowledge is the power, but it comes with a twist. So from the garden, there was both dismissed. Into the abyss, a life that's full of mist. Scared to plant seeds and you're scared to take risks. Care for you alone, you will never find your bliss. Brothers and sisters on the Cain and Abel list. Don't be scared to chase those dreams. Plant those seeds and take those risks. Though at times you may fall and feel as though your back's against the wall, remain calm and stand tall. I was down to the wire, back turned on by the one I most admire. The pain helped me lose who I was prior. A coward and a liar, womanizer like quagmire. But things transpire, and now my energy is higher. Manifesting what I desire, build God's empire. I die being another trier. The old boy had to be retired, so knowledge get acquired.